Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the topic protozoal disease. What do you mean by protozoans? Protozoans are eukaryotic unicellular heterotrophic organisms that can be either parasites or free living. They exhibit enormous range of morphologies and lack cell wall. In human body, 15 genera of protozoans lives and they cause disease. The disease is caused by protozoans. These organisms may remain in the human host for their entire life cycle, but many carry out part of their reproductive cycle in insects or other hosts. Most common diseases are malaria, Azar, Toxoplasmosis, amoebiasis. Now we are discussing about the diseases. The first one is malaria. It is an infectious disease caused by the Plasmodium parasite. These parasites are primarily spread by the bite of female Anopheles mosquito. There are four main types of Plasmodium: Plasmodium ovale, Plasmodium falciparum, Plasmodium malariae, and Plasmodium vivax. It is digenetic because it completes its life cycle in two hosts, primary and secondary. Malaria spreads from when a mosquito infected with the disease after biting an infected person and the infected mosquito then bite a non-infected person. The malarial parasites enters into that person's bloodstream and travel to the liver, and then it causes the damage in RBCs. The symptoms are arranged in three stages: cold stage, hot stage, and sweating stage. In cold stage, it is associated with shivering and chilling. The person feels extremely cold. This is due to the rupturing of RBC. In hot stage, the temperature rises. It can go to 206 degree Fahrenheit. There is increasing breathing rate and heart rate. This caused due to the release of hemozoe. It occurred due to the rupturing of RBCs. In sweating stage, it is also known as wet stage. Here, the temperature gets to normal with the increase in sweating. The next disease is Azar. It is also known as visceral leishmaniasis. It is caused by the protozoan parasites of the genus Leishmania. In India, Leishmania donovani is the only parasite causing this disease. The parasites primarily infects the reticular endothelial system and may be found in abundance in bone marrow, spleen, and liver. It is characterized by irregular bouts of fever, loss of appetite, weight loss, enlargement of spleen and liver, dry and scaly skin, etc. Light-colored persons show grayish discoloration of the skin of hand, feet, abdomen, and face, which gives the Indian name Kala Azar. It means black fever. Leishmania parasites are transmitted through the bites of infected female sandflies. The parasite develops further in the body of the sandfly, which is entering an uninfected human body when sandflies bites them. There is no vaccine or preventive drugs. Most effective method to prevent the infection is to protect from the sandfly bites. Then the next disease is Toxoplasmosis. Toxoplasmosis is a zoonotic disease. It is caused by coccidian protozoan Toxoplasma gondii. It infects a wide range of animals, birds, but does not appear to cause disease in them. There are several sources by which a person infected: cat feces, undercooked meat, horizontal transmission, vertical transmission. In cat feces, by oocyst, undercooked meat, here it is by tissue cyst, and in horizontal transmission, it is including organ transplant and blood transfusion. Vertical transmission, here from mother to the child. This leads to some congenital toxoplasmosis. The first three are acquired toxoplasmosis, a disease of the blood and lymphatic system. Cats are a critical part of the life cycle. It is usually acquired by eating undercooked meats but can also be acquired by contact with cat feces. Primary problem is a congenital infection of fetus, resulting in either a stillbirth or a child with severe brain damage or Vision problem. Body aches, swollen, lymph nodes, headache, fever, fatigue, etc. are the symptoms of this disease. A woman newly infected with toxoplasma during or just before pregnancy can pass infection to their unborn child. The woman might not have symptoms, but there can be severe consequences for unborn child such as a disease of nervous system and eyes. The person who are ill can be treated with the combination of drugs such as pyrimethamine, sulfadiazine, folinic acid, etc. Thank you.